Hey, if you've ever dealt with numbness and tingling, whether it's in your arms or whether it's in your legs, you know exactly how frustrating it can be because it can happen at any time and it's completely without warning. Hey, I'm Dr. Ryan Carlson with Deep Roots Health Center right here in Bentonville, and what I want to do is walk you through one of the major causes of numbness and tingling. Again, it can be in your hands, it can be in your feet, it can be in your legs. Whatever it is for you, I want to walk you through one of the main causes for it. So that is actually something called a herniated disc. So what a herniated disc is, it's an area in your spine. It's right between the vertebrae. It's a fluid-filled sac, and essentially that's what keeps your vertebrae from going bone on bone. So if I were to show you exactly what that looks like, it'd be just like this. So here between the vertebrae, we actually have these discs, and that essentially provides cushion between those vertebrae and it allows your spine to move. But what can happen is those discs can herniate. So I think the best way to describe it is kind of like a jelly-filled donut. So with a jelly-filled donut, you have that fibrous outer part, and then there's the jelly inside. The discs are exactly the same way in that there's a fluid in the inside. It's like a jelly-like substance, and then it's more fibrous on the outer part. But if that jelly starts to come out of the donut, same thing can happen with the spine. That fluid in the inside can start to come out of that fibrous area when those bones get locked up, stuck, and restricted for some time. So essentially what that looks like is this guy down here. So this would be an example in the low back of a herniated disc. It's that red part that's pointing out. That's putting direct pressure on this nerve. Now the nerves in the low back, those are the ones that come out. They go all the way down the leg, right to the feet. So if you are experiencing numbness or tingling in the feet or in the leg, it's most likely caused by something going on down here in that low back. Because if there's something being pinched at the source, that's going to affect everything down below. A herniated disc is one of the major causes of that. And it's kind of the same story here in the neck. You can also have a herniated disc in that bottom part of the neck. So the nerves here, they come out and they not only go to the muscles of the neck, but they also go to the shoulder and they go all the way down the arm as well, right into the fingertips. So if you are dealing with numbness and tingling into the fingertips or into the hand, just know that it very well could be a herniated disc that could be causing that. So if that is something that you're dealing with, one of the best ways that we can resolve that is with getting movement into that area. I can show you exactly how we accomplish that at Deep Roots Health Center. It's one of the easiest things to accomplish as far as different aches and pains and your health goes, but it's something that I've helped tons of people with. So if that is something that you'd be interested in, make sure that you comment, tag, or you share below, and I will catch you on a future video.